Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop deleted messages from reappearing on iOS 26. Okay, so let's open up the settings. Now click on your name above and click on the iCloud. Now go to Save to iCloud, click on See All, and when you have the messages in iCloud, you can turn this feature off. Click on Disable and Download messages. Now they won't be synced in the iCloud, and that might have been the cause of your problem. Also now, if you wait a few seconds, you can enable it, and when you have the status that they are not synced, you can try how it is right now. Do they keep reappearing after you delete them? And then you can click on sync now once again, and it should be okay. Next thing is simply logging out of your account. Right in here, simply scroll down and click on sign out, then sign in again. But before you sign in again, you can restart your iPhone. To restart an iPhone, you need to click volume up, then volume down, and you need to start holding the power button for around 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. When it appears, you can release your finger. Really easy thing. Then you can go back right in here and sign in again. It might help. And the last thing is simply going back into the general, scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Don't worry, we won't lose any of our data. We just need to click on the reset, and we need to reset all settings. It just resets the system preferences, and it also might help. Simply click on reset all settings, then click on OK, wait a few seconds, and then you'll be ready to use your device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.